Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. I'm TheNoCodeTech, and today I'm going to play with a soldering kit. This is the Learn to Solder Kit, Blink, made in California. It's got all the parts in here. I got this off of Amazon. It was cheap and had prime shipping. And I have some instructions over here. So it says on the instructions that we want to have soldering iron between 450 and 700 Fahrenheit. So I got this set there. So let us begin. Open it up. There's a nice little note in there. Oh, that's cool. They put the names of the folks and the peoples. Cool. Now, I've never done any of this component soldering type stuff, but I'm pretty darn excited. We got a battery. We got a card, some links, this battery. We got the nice little PCB, printed circuit board. Pretty thick. I don't know, it feels good. I like it. But then again, I don't know, so there you go. Okay, we got a battery holder. 1, 2, 3 LEDs, 1, 2, 3 buttons, and some resistors. Focus. Yes. Some resistors. All right, so I'm gonna read the directions and then we're gonna do step 1, magical editing. All right, blink, learn to solder. Looks like that when you're done. LEDs, yeah, we got those. Resistors, 3 of those. Battery holder, battery, PCB, 3 switches. All right, we're good so far. Soldering iron, yep. Clipper. I don't have any of these. I don't have any of those. I gotta get some of those. Safety squints, I can probably get some of those. Don't have that, don't have that. That's optional. Techniques, look at that. That's how you do it correctly. I'm gonna maybe read all of that. Do some zoomy McMagic here. This is so cool, man. This is cool. I know I made it a little bit too big, but that's all right. We'll know better for next time. / just push harder and it pops right in. Hey, if you push harder, it just pops right in. All right, oop, in the camera there, buddy. Look, I got all these little pockets up here to put stuff. It's so exciting. This is fun. Okay, and my soldering iron's up to temperature, so I don't need that. It's fire hazard. Tink, 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 tink. We'll get some solder in here. And we'll do a zoomy. All right, we're just gonna get some solder going on there just to make sure everything's cool. And it is. Where am I at? There I am. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I know what I'm doing. So we're gonna touch the soldering iron to this lead in the pad, and we're gonna stick some solder in there, and it's gonna look beautiful, right? It's not working. Give it time, my friend, give it time. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, put the wrong thing away. Pull that away first, then the iron. Hey, I think I did it. Let's take a look. That looks pretty good. Think I did all right? All right, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That's pretty. I like it. Let's do more. So you put that there, you heat that up. You add some of this. All right. I fucked up. Da-da-da. Pull it away. It doesn't look, bad, but I'm gonna call that a success. I'm gonna say awesome job, bud. All right, so now I just do a little bit, zoom out. Nope, other way. Other way, other way, there we go. All right, and now I do a bit of the snippy with, I found the garage scissors. They'll work. YouTube, smarter than me people, tell me to hold on to these that you snip from the leads. So I'm gonna do that. Put them in this little bin right there. Okay, so I did one, and I'm pretty happy with it. So think I'm gonna keep going. But yeah, okay. Zoomy McMotion. Zenesloshin. Hey, look, guys, that's easy. If I can do it, you can do it. This is, whoop, there, nope, all right, zoom. Zoom, you fools. This is easy, guys. If I can do this, you can do this. Cool beans. Let's take a closer look at that one. And yeah, I think it's gonna work. At least I hope so. Cool. I'm a real ham. Done, son. Look at that. Look, I think I got too much solder on there. But, you know, hey, I'm okay with that. That is resistor 1, 2, and 3. Cool. I like that. Do not solder the included battery. That's this thing right here. And it goes, which way do you want it to go? The open end's gonna go this way. So let's get some more zoomy action with the rump shaking action. It only really goes down so far because of the legs. This one's gonna be a bit wacky woo, but I'm gonna put my thumb, my finger here down to hold, come on, to hold it, and then hopefully not get too close. All right, that's half of it. That looks pretty decent. Oh crap, it's crooked. Look at that, guys. Crooked AF. Now, well, let's try to fix that, shall we? I'm just gonna heat this up. Hopefully that it gets, hopefully is a new word I just invented. Push really hard and just kind of straighten it back out. Gravity. Better. All right. Let's do the other side, shall we? I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, wrapped in plastic. It's fantastic. Oh, look how pretty that is. Look at what I have created. See if the battery fits. It fits very snugly in there. Next up, switches. When I switch, you switch, we switch. All right, so it's got these little bug-looking legs. So, nope. Just like that, and as per the directions, give it a good amount of force. There we go. Clicky, I like it. Let's do some more soldering. Kind of focusing on, like, do this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, because I kind of don't want to heat up the board too much. That's something that I read. Oh, who am I kidding? I don't read crap. That's something, my thinner. That doesn't look half bad. Or all bad. That looks semi-decent. Step next, switch. Again. Because I'm trying to focus. Fire a gun. All we need is someone to lean on. Doesn't look too bad. Guys and gals, one more switch. You can do it. These solder fumes are amazing. Oh, I'm looking looking at this, I think this one here could use some more solder because the solder pad, that little metally bit around, like that's a solder pad, the metal around the hole was still showing. Oh, the sun. Had to take care of the sun there. So we got 1, 2, 3 switches, 1, 2, 3 resistors, and the battery holder, yes. All right, LEDs, part A. What? Okay, I actually have to read this. All right, so there's the important part. The long lead on the LED must go through the square hole, and then anode and cathodes. We have a long on this side and a short on this side. Does it really matter what light goes on what side? I'm gonna go RGB, right? R, G, and B. RGB. Long and the short, and the long goes through, dang it. Finners, why don't you work? Long goes through the square hole. All right, there we go. All right, is that right? Yeah, that's right. Once again, we put them through, then we give them a wee bend. And now more soldering. The sun is a mass of incandescent gas, a gigantic nuclear furnace. Oh, I don't like the look of that. That looks like rubbish. I mean, the square one looks all right, but I got this bulky mountain thing coming off the side there on that one. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over, baby. Much better. Look at that. If you mess it up, just give it a whirl, part 2. And let's give it a snip. Those are excessively long. You know what? I think it'll be all right. RGB, G is green, long through the square. There we go. Doing it on camera is the point here. Looks like crap, but you know, I like it. Like the horse on Ren and Stimpy. No sir, I don't like it. Blue LED. That look good? That look good? That looks good to me. A little snippy snip. When I snip, you snip, we snip. Ah! So we got 3 LEDs, 3 resistors, 3 switches, a battery holder. I don't see any solder bridges, which is where like if there was solder between 2 contacts there. And you definitely get some proper snips. Let's put the battery in. And hope it works. Hey, blue, green, red, RGB. Hey guys, look, I did a thing. I did the Blink version 1.1 Learn to Solder kit. Available from learntosolderkit.com. Open source hardware. Yeah, good little kit. It's my first soldering, and I learned to solder from the Learn to Solder kit. Highly recommend it. I had a good time. It's available on Zoom. There we go. Ah, too far. Go back. There we go. It's available from their website, but I got it from Amazon for a slightly reduced cost, or less cost with free shipping. But yeah, highly recommend it. It was a ton of fun. It works. I did a thing. Anyway, okay, so yeah, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.